In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove day separator in Tradingview. Session breaks, sometimes called day separators, are the thin vertical lines that mark where one trading day or session ends and the next begins. They're a simple visual aid that helps you read price action by day. Compare daily ranges at a glance and keep your analysis anchored to market open and close times. Start by opening your chart, then look to the top right corner. Click the gear icon to open the chart settings window. This is where Tradingview stores all of your visual preferences, and it's the best place to fine-tune how your chart looks and behaves. Inside Chart Settings, select the Appearance tab. This section controls how elements like backgrounds, grid lines, scales, and other visual guides are displayed. You'll find the option for session breaks here, grouped with similar style controls so you can toggle them without diving through multiple menus. Look for the option labeled Session Breaks to show the day or session separators. Check the box. To hide them, uncheck it. As soon as you toggle this, your chart updates instantly, so you can immediately see the difference. When enabled, you'll notice vertical lines that align with each new trading session. For 24 by the 7th of March CATs, they typically mark daily boundaries. For regular market hours, they align with those session times. These lines are purely visual, so they never modify your data or indicators. While you are still on the Appearance tab, you can customize how these lines look. Choose a color that contrasts well with your background, so they're easy to spot without overpowering your candles. If you prefer a subtle guide, pick a lighter shade. If you want a stronger divider, go with a brighter color. Adjust the thickness to suit your screen or recording setup. Thicker lines are easier to see on high-resolution displays, while thinner lines keep the chart clean. You can also switch the style between solid and dotted. Solid lines provide a firm boundary. Dotted lines keep the focus on price while still hinting at session changes. A quick tip: if you don't immediately notice the lines, it may be because not many sessions are visible on your current view. They stand out most when several days or sessions are on screen. Also, if the separators seem too faint, increasing thickness or choosing a higher contrast color usually solves it. That's all there is to it. Open Chart Settings, go to Appearance, toggle Session Breaks, and then tailor the color, thickness, and style to your preference. With these separators set just right, you'll have clearer structure, faster analysis, and a cleaner read on market rhythm.